Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about how you can reset your device to the factory data, your device Samsung A23 and A23 5G. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to reset your device to the factory settings, like the brand new settings, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can reset your device to the factory settings. Let's watch the video.